How to change your password on Windows 11 using the Settings app. If you want to update your password to keep your computer more secure, just follow these simple steps. First, click on the search icon on the taskbar and type "Change your password." Then tap Enter. This will automatically open the Sign In options page in the Windows settings. In the Ways to Sign In section, click Password. Then click the Change button. Now enter your current password and click Next. On the next screen, type your new password. Then enter it again to confirm it. You can also add a password hint to help you remember your password if you forget it later. Once you've filled in the required information, click Next. And then click Finish to save the changes. That's it! Your Windows 11 password has been successfully changed. The next time you sign into your computer, simply use your new password. And that's it! If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.